Hey everyone, how you all are doing? Well, my week is going good as well hectic, both at the same time. But then I realized that hectic week can be challenging but makes us disciplined and committed both. Recently, I have purchased these artificial plants because previous plants were rotted, and this time I thought to choose wisely because it saves time and effort both. So I'm going to organize these plants. I'm keeping one in living area and another on first floor near Sai Baba. So you can see this one. I have organized this one, and another one I'm going to put it on first floor, but later I have changed it with palm plant because it was looking more good. And you can see the view, and you can see how beautiful my Sai Baba is looking. Like, this wall is dedicated for my Sai Baba. Now this is late evening and I have to make the dinner also. I am making homemade paneer. So I'm adding the vinegar and water both in equal part, and you can see the milk is curdled. Then I'll strain it and wash it with clean water. You can see how tender this paneer is looking. Today I'm going to make the palak-aloo, paneer bhurji and leftover dal paratha. And I'm going to also refill this container for my next use. I'm adding the spring onion, tomato, onion, green chili, ginger. You can see this container. This is looking beautiful also and colorful. Now the palak aloo and paneer bhurji is done. I'm going to make the leftover dal paratha. I have just added the some masalas in dal to make it more tasty and spicy. So I've added red chili, cumin powder, and garam masala. I'm going to make the dough for it, and then I'll make the paratha. Now the dinner is ready and this is looking very good as well healthy. And my son is watching TV and we both are going to have dinner. This is the next morning and today we are celebrating Hartalika Teej festival. Basically this is done in few states like UP, East Bihar, MP, etc. During this festival we do Bhagwan Shiva and Mata Parvati Puja, and in this festival we fast for whole day without water and food for our husband. This is the afternoon time and I'm going to make the lunch. Today I'm making paneer and puri. Now the lunch is ready and I'm going to get ready because Puja Muhurat is till 3 o'clock. My son is making some like he is drawing and as well he is watching the TV both at the same time. Now I'm ready and I will do the puja. I have taken some pictures and I have added here. In the evening time we are going to watch the Istri 2 movie because from few days I was willing to watch it. Then today we got time. So I'm hoping you have liked my content, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.